My dear student, welcome to Triple S Tech's e-learning initiative. Thank you very much for choosing to view the demo video. In this clip, you will have a good idea of what will be covered in the topic chosen by you. You have chosen the topic of new general ledger configuration in SAP. The new general ledger was introduced mainly to cater to the demands of posting to multiple ledgers and reporting beyond the company code level. By posting to multiple ledgers, we mean you may have a requirement to generate the financial reports for different type of accounting principles. So you may need different ledgers for the same. The new GL enables this by what are called as leading and non-leading ledgers. By reporting beyond company code level, what we mean is so far you were able to generate the reports only for the company code level because the balance sheet and profit and loss account were posted at company code level. Now let us say you want to take a report for profit center accounting. In other words, earlier if you want to generate a balance sheet for profit center, it was not possible because the controlling area entries are getting posted only for the expense line item. The balance sheet line item was not getting posted to the corresponding profit center. With the new GL, this facility is enabled. In other words, if you post, let's say, one expense item and one balance sheet item, the balance sheet item inherits from the expense item. If there are more than one expense item, the balance sheet item gets split in the same proportion. This is called as document splitting. So the business requirement therefore are reporting as per different GAAP, segmental reporting, financial reporting below the company code level, and reporting as per cost of sales accounting. We need to configure multiple ledgers, namely leading and non-leading ledgers, and we also should configure document splitting, which is most important and as well as a bit complex. Let's see how to configure the document splitting. First of all, the general ledger accounts are assigned to item categories. In other words, the general ledger items are classified into various categories such as expense account, cash accounts, vendor accounts, customer accounts, taxation accounts, etc. etc. Now, these postings happen through a document type. So, any posting picks up a particular document type. The document type is assigned to what is called as a transaction variant. The transaction variant has got splitting method. The splitting method has got what is called as splitting rule, and splitting rule has got what is called as business transaction and transaction variant attached to it. So the item categories define in the transaction variant what are the base item categories. See, in every entry there are two items. One is the base item, the other one is the item to be split. So let's say in an expense to bank entry, expense account is a base item, bank account is the item to be split. So that is decided in this transaction variant. So the item categories linked to transaction variant define which are the base item categories that are available for this variant, which has business transaction, splitting rule, splitting method link. All these will be taught to you through a live example. It's a pretty complex one, but thankfully they are all standardized. So you need maximum 5 to 10% tuning here and there. Otherwise, it is by and large the work of the accountant is to assign the GL account to the proper item categories. His work is done most of the cases. So the document gets split, and therefore at P&L profit center level or cost center level, you will find the balance sheet line items also getting posted. Hope you are satisfied with the coverage of the subject. Now for the next steps. Click on Buy Now below this video to complete your order. We will get your mail order in our mailbox. We will send you the complete recording within 24 hours. Follow the instructions that accompanies your recording mail. View the video as many times as you feel. And if you have any doubts, contact us and the clarification will be provided instantly by our team. For more information, contact us on info@sstech.in. All the best for your SAP learning.